Question 2. Can we see it? It's a stealth quadratic. So we need to do a substitution, or a substitution would help. Remember, what we're looking for here is a 3-term quadratic in which the power of one of the terms is twice the other one. So we do our substitution as t or u, or whatever you want to use, is x cubed. If that's the case, then t squared would be x to the 6. So this is 8t squared plus 7t minus 1 is 0. It's quite a straightforward thing to factorise, isn't it? Because we've got this nice prime number at the end of it. If you want to use that other method that we talked about doing it, you'd multiply the first and last things to get minus 8t squared. Two things that multiply to give minus 8 and add to give plus 7 would have to be 8 and minus 1. So we're going to write it as being 8t squared plus 8t minus t minus 1. Factorise 2 terms at a time. 8t brackets t plus 1 and minus 1 t plus 1, giving us 8t minus 1, that's 8t minus 1 times t plus 1, which we interpret to mean that t is an eighth and t is minus 1. And I know that we won't do it again, but this was where we got the bizarre mistake from quite a few people when I was marking this one. If x cubed is an eighth and x cubed is minus 1, then we cube root. And if you've got an odd power, there's none of this worrying about positive or negative things, is there? The cube root of minus 1 is going to be minus 1. So we end up with minus 1 there. And the cube root of an eighth, well, an eighth is what you get if you cube a half. So we have the answers minus 1 and half. And there we go. So just write the 2 answers down. Don't bother with anything like and or in the middle. Just give you 2 answers and underline them. That's it. There we go. That was actually, as long as you didn't do anything daft with unpicking the thing here, it was quite a nice 5 marks, I think. And that was that. Great start.